Okay, guys, I picked these up at Dollar Tree. You know, the store that sells stuff for $1. Now $1.25. But they have some $3 to $5 items in there too. Now I got these out of there. I opened one over here just so we could take a look. They were $3 a piece for these big ones. You know, just for holding on to stuff like that, holding your wood together, quick release. Yeah, I think I paid $4 or $5 for them at Harbor Freight before, and I broke those ones. This is an adjuster, which I think, I'm not sure. I was thinking maybe that slides, but it doesn't seem to move. Maybe I gotta take it out more. Maybe I won't put that part in there. Yeah, that kind of not gonna work. Wonder what the... I honestly don't know what that does. Let's say. Dual function clamp and spreader. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure what the purpose is in that. I'm not afraid to admit I don't know everything. If somebody knows, let me know, because you loosen it up and it doesn't do nothing. I thought maybe it would slide down more for an adjustment of some sort, but I don't know. Maybe I can't see the point in putting it on the other side. Yeah, I really don't know. Unless you could put another one of these on there, but I don't know the point in that either. Yeah, I don't know if anybody knows, let me know, because I honestly don't know what that's for. This is future me. When I did this video, I wasn't sure what the separator part was for. Let me see if I can get this off. Okay, you loosen this up. Get this stupid thing out of here. And you pull this off. I'm doing this one-handed, so I usually have my on a tripod, but I'm in my basement. And then you pull that off. And we slide this down. And then you put this over here. Okay, there we go. And then you put, I don't know why it was giving me such a hard time. That back in there. Right, that's close enough. And then we get this thing down. Okay. Now you can use it to spread something apart. Now it's pretty wide. Like, I don't know what you would be spreading apart with it. But if you had to spread something apart, and then you just, instead of squeezing it together, it's spreading it apart. But that's what that thing's for. That's why it said spreader on there, which I guess should have been a clue. But okay, back to past me who's doing the video. Lines up a little off. Oh, there it goes. Now it's fine. But like I said, I've had ones from Harbor Freight, and I've literally blew the sides out of them. Apparently clamping them a little too hard, and they just bulge out, and everything in there gets destroyed. But yeah, $3, and then you can get the little ones. A set of the little ones, you get 2 for $3, the 4-inch, which has these things on it too. So yeah, I don't know. I probably should have looked online to see what they were before I made this video, but whatever. Yeah, so I mean, that's it. There's not much to them. I just figured to let you know Dollar Tree has them for $3. And I looked at my other ones I had, and these look just as well made, if not better. So we'll see if they work. $3. What the heck? Give it a try and see what happens. Okay, guys.